Welcome to Edu Aspirants, our YouTube channel to ace academic, competitive, entrance exams, and enrichment of knowledge. In this video on chemistry, we will learn about water. Water is the most important natural resource and a crucial chemical compound for the survival of all life forms. It is most abundant, omnipresent, and generally obtainable from most chemical compounds. It is the main constituent of Earth's hydrosphere and the fluids of all known living organisms. Human body has about 65% and some plants have as much as 95% water. Water shows all the three states of matter: ice as solid, water as liquid, and water vapor as gas. It occurs both as free state and in the combined state. Occurrence of water. Water sources. Surface water, for example a lake, river or reservoir. Groundwater, for example an aquifer, also called as geogeyser. Recycled water, also called reused water. Worldwide water supply. Water covers about 71% of the Earth's surface. 326 million cubic miles of water is present on the planet. 97% of the Earth's water is found in the oceans, which is too salty for drinking or growing crops. 3% of the Earth's water is fresh. 2.5% of the Earth's fresh water is unavailable, locked up in glaciers, polar ice caps, atmosphere, and soil, is highly polluted or lies too far under the Earth's surface to be extracted at an affordable cost. Only 0.5% of the Earth's water is therefore available as fresh water. Estimated world water supply. Sources percent of total. Ocean 97.33%. Ice caps or glaciers 2.04%. Groundwater 0.61%. Freshwater lakes 0.009%. Inland seas and salt lakes 0.008%, atmosphere 0.001%, rivers 0.0001%, soil moisture 0.005%. Properties of water. Water is an inorganic compound with the chemical formula H2O. It is a transparent, tasteless, odorless and colorless chemical substance made up of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, combined in the ratio of 1:8 by mass. The components of water, hydrogen and oxygen, cannot be separated by physical process but can be separated by chemical means only. For example, electrolysis of acidified water. Structure of water. A water molecule is made up of two hydrogen atoms bonded to an oxygen atom, and its overall structure is bent or V-shaped. This is because the oxygen atom, in addition to forming bonds with the hydrogen atoms, also carries two pairs of unshared electrons. All of the electrons pair shared and unshared repel each other. These repulsion effects results in deviation from regular tetrahedral shape to V shape. Physical properties of water. The main physical properties of water are its high polarity, high specific heat, high heat of fusion and vaporization, high freezing point and boiling point, higher thermal conductivity, surface tension, dielectric constant and dipole moment. All these properties allow water to play a key role in the biosphere. High heat of vaporization and heat capacity are responsible for moderation of climate and body temperature of living beings. The unusual properties of water in the solid phase ice and liquid phase water are due to hydrogen bonding between water molecules. Low density of ice is due to three-dimensional hydrogen bonding, which gives the open structure with wide pores. This explains why solid water is less dense than liquid water, a highly unusual situation among common substances. Some physical properties of water. Molar mass 18.0151 gram per mole. Melting point 0.00 degree centigrade or 273.15 Kelvin. Boiling point 100 degree centigrade or 373.15 Kelvin. Maximum density at 3.98 degree centigrade 1 gram per centimeter cube. Density 25 degree centigrade 0.99701 gram per centimeter cube. Vapor pressure at 25 degree centigrade 23.75 torr. Heat of fusion at 0 degree centigrade 6.010 kilojoules per mole. Heat of vaporization at 100 degree centigrade 40.65 kilojoules per mole. Heat of formation at 25 degree centigrade minus 285.85 kilojoules per mole. Viscosity 0.8903 centimeters. Surface tension at 25 degree centigrade 71.97 dynes per centimeter. Water as an excellent solvent. Water has high dielectric constant due to the polar nature of its molecules. Because of its polarity and ability to form hydrogen bonds, water makes an excellent solvent, meaning that it can dissolve many different kinds of substances. Ionic compounds are soluble in water due to hydration of ionic salts with water. The negative poles on the oxygen atoms attract the positive ions, while the positive poles on the hydrogen atoms attract the negative ions of ionic salts. Therefore, dissolution of ionic compounds takes place because of ion-dipole interactions. Dissolution of molecular compounds such as alcohol, urea, glucose, sucrose, etc. in water is due to tendency of these compounds to form hydrogen bond with water molecules. That is the reason water is known as an universal solvent. It is an excellent solvent for transportation of ions and molecules required for plant and animal metabolism. Chemical properties of water. Water reacts with a large number of substances to form different compounds. For example, action towards litmus. Pure water is neutral to litmus and its pH value is 7. Amphoteric nature. Water can act as both acid and base. That means it is amphoteric in nature. Example, acidic behavior. Here, water acts as an acid with ammonia. Water plus ammonia react to give hydroxyl ion and ammonium ion. Basic behavior. Here, water acts as a base with respect to H2S. Water, H2S react to form hydronium ion and HS minus ion. Autoprotolysis means self-ionization of water. Two molecules of water gives hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion. Redox reactions involving water. Water can undergo reduction as well as oxidation reactions. Reduction of water. Water gains electrons and is converted into hydrogen gas. In these reactions, water acts as an oxidizing agent. Water gain 2 electrons converted into hydroxyl ion and hydrogen gas. Electropositive metals like sodium, potassium, calcium reduce water to hydrogen molecule. Thus, water is a great source of hydrogen. Water plus sodium gives sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Oxidation of water. Water loses electrons and is converted into oxygen gas. In these reactions, Water acts as a reducing agent. Water gave 4H plus oxygen and 4 electrons. When water reacts with fluorine, it is oxidized to oxygen gas. F2 plus water give HF plus oxygen gas. During the process of photosynthesis, water is oxidized to oxygen gas. Thus, water is a great source of oxygen. Carbon dioxide plus water give glucose, water plus oxygen gas. Hydrolysis reaction and hydrates formation. Hydrolysis reaction. Water has a very strong hydrating tendency due to its high dielectric constant. It dissolves many ionic compounds, some covalent and ionic compounds like nonmetallic oxides, halides, some metallic phosphides, carbides and nitrides can be hydrolyzed in water. Example, phosphorus pentoxide on hydrolysis gives phosphoric acid. Aluminium nitride on hydrolysis gives aluminium hydroxide and ammonia gas. Calcium carbide on hydrolysis gives calcium hydroxide and ethylene gas. Hydration reactions. Water has the ability to combine with some metal salts to form compounds known as hydrates. There are three types of hydrates: coordinated water, hexaquachromium 3 chloride; interstitial water, barium chloride .2H2O; hydrogen bonded water, example copper sulfate .5H2O or tetraaqua copper 2 sulfate H2O. Hard and soft water. Water is classified into two categories depending upon its behavior towards soap solution. That means soft water and hard water. Soft water, water which produces leather with soap solution is called soft water. It contains low concentration of calcium and magnesium minerals. Chemically softened water contains a high amount of sodium ions, therefore has a salty taste. Example, rainwater and distilled water. Hard water, the water with naturally present minerals like magnesium and calcium with detectable quantity is called hard water. These minerals are beneficial for health. They add flavor to water and do not produce leather with soap solution and form scum with soap. Hardness of water is due to the dissolved salts like bicarbonate, chlorides and sulfates of magnesium and calcium. Example, groundwater, river water, tap water. Measures of water hardness. General guidelines for classification of water are 0 to 60 mg per liter as calcium carbonate is classified as soft, 61 to 120 mg per liter as moderately hard, 121 to 180 mg per liter as hard, and more than 180 mg per liter as a very hard. This brings us to the end of the video on water. Keep revising. The next topic on chemistry will be uploaded soon. Please subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon for updates. Thank you.